In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an employees list into QuickBooks Desktop. Before you begin the actual import, it's important to spend a few minutes preparing everything properly. This helps prevent errors and makes the process much smoother, especially when you're working with bulk data. The first thing you should do is back up your company file before starting any bulk data import. That way, if something doesn't go as expected, you'll have a safe restore point and can return to your original data without unnecessary stress. Next, make sure your data file is formatted correctly. Your column headers need to match the QuickBooks fields exactly. For example, this can include items like name, address, and other basic profile information. Taking the time to verify this in advance is very important because even small formatting issues can cause problems during import. Review the file carefully and confirm that the information is organized in the correct structure before moving on. You'll also want to make sure you're signed into QuickBooks Desktop with admin rights. This matters because certain import functions require full access to the company file. In addition, check that QuickBooks is set to single-user mode. If it's in multi-user mode, the import may not work correctly, so it's best to confirm this ahead of time rather than troubleshoot it later. Once your backup is complete, your file is formatted correctly and your access settings are ready. You can begin the import using an IIF file. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop. When the program is open, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, hover over Utilities, then select Import. This will open the available import options within QuickBooks. Next, click IIF Files. After that, choose the option labeled Import IIF. QuickBooks will then prompt you to browse for the file you want to bring in. Locate your saved IIF file on your computer, select it, and click Open. At this point, QuickBooks will begin processing the file you selected. Make sure you choose the correct file before opening it, since importing the wrong version can create extra cleanup work afterward. If you prepared the file correctly and followed the setup steps beforehand, the import process should be straightforward. And that's how to import an employees list into QuickBooks Desktop. As a final reminder, careful preparation is the key to a successful import, so always back up your file, confirm your formatting, and verify your user mode before you begin.